Wondering with Big Sis Eris.
Hi there, kiddos. It's Big Sis Eris. Today we're answering a super cute food question. Why shouldn't we break spaghetti before cooking it? Have you guys ever watched long spaghetti noodles dance in a pot of boiling water? Wiggle, wiggle. Now imagine cutting those long noodles into tiny pieces. It'd be like snipping off the long, flowy skirt of a dancer. The dance just wouldn't look as pretty anymore. You know what? Spaghetti is made long on purpose. When you twirl the noodles around your fork, it wraps up into a perfect little ball, just like winding yarn. That shape helps the yummy sauce stick to every part of the noodle, so each bite is full of amazing flavor. Here's a fun secret. Italians believe keeping the noodles whole shows respect for the food. It's like how we wouldn't snap an ice cream cone in half before eating it. Twirling long spaghetti makes the meal feel more fun and special. And guess what? Long noodles are extra fun to cook. You can watch them turn from straight, stiff sticks into soft noodles that spin around the pot. Then you get to scoop them up and twirl them with your fork. It's like playing a delicious food game. If everyone broke spaghetti into little bits, it'd feel more like eating mushy noodle soup. And imagine if your colored pencils were snapped into tiny pieces. Drawing would be a lot harder, right? So leaving spaghetti long isn't just a tradition, it helps you enjoy the twirling fun and the super tasty sauce. Remember, kiddos, next time you cook spaghetti, practice twirling it nicely with your fork, just like a little Italian chef. And if you discover a fun new way to enjoy noodles, tell Big Sis Eris. Let's be food adventurers together!
All right, kiddos, did you learn something new today? This is Big Sis Eris. Remember to keep wondering. See you next time. Thank you all so much for your support. Big Sis Eris has now teamed up with professional partners to offer customized family travel. You can take amazing cruises to North America, the Caribbean, and Europe. All the links are right in the channel description. Want to go on a trip? Just ask Big Sis Eris. Let's create the most wonderful family memories together.